Hi, welcome back to the only show where produce gets grilled. Today our guests are carrot, pineapple, and tomato. My first guest, Carrot. We're gonna ask Carrot a couple questions. Carrot, is it true that if I eat a lot of you, it will improve my eyesight? Like if I juiced you for a month and drank you every day, could I get rid of these glasses? What do you say to that, Carrot? All right, and there you have it, folks. Carrots are just a big, crunchy, orange stick of lies. All right, can we get the next piece of produce out here? All right, we're here with pineapple. Pineapple, you're sweet, but some people say you're a sugar bomb wrapped in spikes. Care to comment? Yep. All right, thanks for clearing that up, pineapple. Can we get something else in here? All right, and now we're joined by tomato. Tomato, vegetable, fruit. What's the deal here, big guy?
Cut. Bring in the expert.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Sarah, a registered dietitian.
Okay, now we're talking. Talk to me about the carrots.
Let's break this down. Just eating carrots won't give anyone perfect vision, but they are good for eye health thanks to beta carotene, which supports vision long term. Just don't expect instant results.
So no X-ray vision. What's the deal with pineapple?
Now, pineapple actually does have something special. Bromelain, an enzyme that may aid in digestion. So it's beneficial for your gut.
All right, so I should add pineapple to my plate, not just my pina coladas. Got it.
Sure, and tomato.
Yeah.
Technically a fruit, nutritionally treated more like a vegetable, full of vitamins like C and K and antioxidants that can be good for your skin health.
All right, so the tomato's just an overachiever then. If you want more expert advice, talk to a registered dietitian, not your produce. Is that it? We done? All right.